Hi everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Umakajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Ingane, the former president yetu, which is Ubaba Jacob Zuma. We'll be talking about the twins, Ututuzile and Ututuzane Zuma. Guys, Tutuzile Zuma said that yena akakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu. She can only speak English, guys. And a lot of people, guys, bamungenele they even bafaka ututuzane, but even ututuzane akakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu, but ubaba umZulu, guys. Mina I for one ne angithi I don't see anything wrong mama ngazikhuluma. I mean, like, these kids bazalwele when you can't Maputo, if not in Mozambique, somewhere there. But I know it's country one, guys. Bazalole, they obvious, they were speaking English. You understand? So mabafika la, bafika la sebathe cool. We know that mama bobe nabo from this country to that country. So the only language is English, guys. It is understandable. And I've seen ututuzile, ututuzane, no ututuzile girl, boy female. I've seen Ututuzane, mina, guys. Angithi Ututuzane is giving back to the community a lot. I've seen ama videos wakhe whereby abantwana abancane bakhuluma naye isiZulu. That means uyasizwa. The only problem uphendula. And sometimes, guys, mina even see on my videos abantu abaningi they'll say lelo gama lisho kanjalo lisho kanje. On my other channel someone said even konjobani, the Indian guy ba actor Mbewu bekakhuluma isiZulu athi that guy ukhuluma isiZulu esindlula isami. But that doesn't mean angisumZulu, guys. Them not speaking isiZulu, that doesn't mean angisumZulu, and that doesn't mean they're not proud of being Zulu, guys. It's just that mawuloku khula ilimi ojwayele ukulikhuluma kuba lula for wena ukuthi ulikhulume, understand? Kuba so easy for you ukuthi ulikhulume. Mina I don't blame them, but a lot of people bathe bayenza ngamabomu sokudala bafikile lana sokumele ngabe sebafundile, and nabo mele vele bazame so that bazokwazi communicate nabanye abantu. But ke, guys, if ilimi liqinile kuzoyenzakalani? Sinabantu abangakhi, like amaZulu angakhi abahlala mhlambe ePretoria where abangakwazi ukukhuluma isiSuthu, not because they don't want to. Sometimes uthola ukuthi awukhoni, guys, awukwazi noma uzama. So mina I for one I don't see anything wrong, but I've seen a lot of comment, guys, abantu bathi benza ngamabomu by now kumele ngabe bayazi ubaba bomZulu. Guys, we have a lot of kids whereby ubaba uthole umtsonga akakwazi ukukhuluma isitsonga, ubaba khe thola ukuthi i-colored or whatever akakwazi ukukhuluma that language. La ukhule khona, guys, uzokhuluma that language because ilimi okhule ulikhulume, understand? Beyizozwakala if bebahlala eSouth Africa, bazalwa eSouth Africa, bafunda eSouth Africa, so beyizozwakala ukuthi kanjani, you understand, kanjani. But abazalelanga la, bakhulelanga la, isikhathi sabo esiningi abasispendanga la, even though bafike la sebakhulile, bafike sebakhulile, guys, sebabambe vele English. And nobaba, mina I don't know why siblame abantwana singablame ama-parents. Even ubaba Jacob Zuma bokumele at the time bafika la abajwayeza ukuthi bakhuluma isiZulu, mara naye that means he was comfortable abantwana bakhe bakhuluma English. Why now siblame uDuduzile? You understand, guys? I mean, like, fault sakhe. If baba khe bekafuna ukuyifaka lento yesiZulu kuyi, bokumele ayifake makafika la amjwayeza ukuthi la ekhaya sikhuluma isiZulu, akunamuntu ozokhuluma English la kulo muzi. So baba khe that means akanankinga, but ke each and every person une right to opinion yakhe. Mara mina I for one I don't see anything wrong, but if you see anything wrong or now you can comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.